It's Friday morning and so much of the show is moved in. Here it's about 8:30 in the morning. They just hooked up our mics, so that's cool. But yeah, it's gonna be a great day and a great show. It's like 10:30 or something. This is the part of the show where we start to run out of space or have to shuffle things. Like we've got a go-kart display that is bigger than the area that it goes in and that kind of stuff. So figuring those things out right now. Pretty sweet car. This is a gift car too. Super, super cool. Floor jack. Gremlin go-kart. I've never seen a Gremlin go-kart. I really feel like we need one. Now it gets tricky because the floor is super full. So like this car runs. We just couldn't get it to run because it's so cold. So we have to drag it, but we can't get it to its space because there's other cars being placed. It's a big puzzle. There's a lot of electric vehicle jokes going on right now with all of the towing we're doing, but I guess that's part of it. A lot of these cars aren't starting because it's so cold and they've been sitting in trailers, and they're just high compression, carbureted old cars, so it's not that there's anything wrong with them. That's a really pretty car, actually. Rob and Kate are here. They flew on an airplane to get here, didn't you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check out some cars. It's gonna be awesome.
Slow down, man. Slow down. You're gonna kill us. We're gonna kill your kids.
I wonder what car's under the sheet. Look at those two cars. Oh, cool.
Those aren't even ours, but these are pretty cool, aren't they?
They're so cool. Look at that yellow.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is a lot of bikes.
Yeah, that's Emily's bike.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you think you would drive a race car like this?
No.
Not like this, but what about a little bit smaller?
No.
You want to get back on the cart?
Oh, look at that.
That is a cool spot.
The
Twins.
matches.
All right.
Oh yeah,
Hop
that's
on,
cool.
baby. Old snowmobiles are cool, huh?
Yeah. Look at that one over there. This is a cool one. Yeah, look at this one. This one. This one.
Hop on, Rebel.
Okay.
Wait.
I've hardly recorded anything today. Gotta move this gurney special. Oh, this one. It's where it gets tricky because these cars all have to be in a pretty specific order. So once you get the first couple in, it works out, but then we start to lose our ability to move around because they all get packed in and whatever. So it helps when the cars run and the keys are in them, we can just jump in and move them. This car was shipped by Reliable. This thing sounds so good. Ryan Ryan had asked me to help him like 3 hours ago, I feel like, and I just got pulled in a lot of different directions. So that's that. It's 5:30 right now, and the majority of the cars are in the building. Some delays and stuff. Most of what we have to do now is just positioning like the cars in the aisles and that kind of stuff, getting everything in the right spot. So a lot of work. It's probably still going to be a long night, but yeah, I don't know. I'm tired. Just had the most incredible experience. So I'm in this Pontiac Catalina race car, and I get a knock on the window, and it's Arnie Beswick, who is like the king of Pontiac race car drivers, and he wanted to tell me how cool he thinks my dad is, and just the nicest, most complimentary guy. He's so happy to be at the show. All right, it's 7 o'clock on Friday night, and we're pretty much, this is what the show is now. So, go jacks, positioning the cars, pushing them, moving them.
Cadillac starts runs. Yes.
Nice. The team here has been doing this all day long. We just come and do kind of like final tweaks and that kind of stuff. So that's, I don't know. I feel like every flip I end up just trailing off. It's a lot of work. I'm tired, but super cool event. The floor looks so good. This is a 59. This thing is massive. I'm so glad it started. It would have been awful to push this through here. This times 600 cars.
Down left a little bit, Bob. Here you go. On there.
It's like 10 o'clock, and I'm really hitting a wall. I had to go pick Courtney Hansen up from the airport, and the traffic, it's like 3 miles from here is the airport. It took me an hour to get from here to there, 3 miles. The traffic is insane here, but that really kind of tired me out, just sitting in the car waiting for an hour. But we still have a bunch of stuff to move and a bunch of stuff to do. I've had so many people come up and be like, I saw your video from yesterday, or I saw your video from today. And that is the coolest thing in the world to me. Laura thinks I'm such a dork when I get excited about it, but if you're one of those people, like, thanks for watching my videos. I'm glad you like them. I make them because I like to watch them later and remember stuff. So you think these videos are cool? Thanks for watching, and I'll keep making them. All of these Corvettes are in the wrong side. Like, instead of being here, they need to be over here. There's some big block Corvettes. Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know why this is the... Well, let's put that one. Let's just move them in order. Then we can get this one, then we can get this one, and then that one. No keys?
Yep.
We're gonna be doing this for like the next half hour. 11:30, 11:45. Show is almost all the way set up. The floor looks so good. We got cars moved, stanchions put out. It's incredible how much stuff we get done in such a short amount of time. Like, goes from being total chaos to like all together pretty quickly. How many hours do you think you'll still be here?
Maybe 2.
He's a lunatic. Yeah, right?